Hi kids, good morning. I am Mr. Piggy. Welcome to my class. Today we will learn the sound letter A and we will learn to read the words phonetically. So take your phonics book and go to page number 3. Sound A. What is the sound of A? A. Sound of A is A. Trace on the dots and say aloud the sounds. What is this? It's a cat. So we have to trace on the dot. What is the sound of C? K. Sound of A? A. Sound of T? T. So how will you say? K A T. Cat. K A T. Cat. So I am not tracing on the dots. I think you can do it. I'm just showing you one like this. You can trace, and while tracing you should pronounce ka at cat, ka at cat. Next we have M. Sound of M is ma. Ma at mat. Ma at mat. This is cap. Ka ap cap. Ka ap cap. Then fan. Fa an fan. Fa an fan. Okay. Ra at rat. Ra at rat. Ba at bat. Ba at bat. Okay, so trace on the dots. Next, turn the page and it says write the sound A. What is this? This is bag. So we have B and we have G. So what we want in between? We want A. Bag. Okay, this is a hat. We have H and we have T. So what we need in between? H, T we cannot say, right? H, A, T, hat. This is tap. T is there, P is there. So we have to add A. T, A, P, tap. This is sad. S, A, D, sad. This is man. M, and man. I hope you understood, kids.